Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we want to talk about remote for the Insta 360. Insta 360 there last year, I think it was last year, came out with a GPS remote. This remote here will allow you to put telemetry on all your footage, which is great if you're using your 360 for hiking, for motorcycling, biking, whatever you might be doing, which is kind of cool to have that telemetry on your footage. Anyways, we're going to take a look at this today, and this is what you're going to get with this remote. You get a little attachment here. And this little attachment, if you have a selfie stick like this little attachment here just pops on there like that, which is kind of cool. So that if you're out and about, you know, when you're out and about filming there, you have this little remote just slide right in here so that you're not going to lose it. Also, what they do give you is if you, for instance, were cycling or on your motorcycle, they actually have a little strap here that will go around your wrist. And also they have this little rubber pouch here that the remote actually will slide inside, and then there's these little slots on the back that you can slide this into and mount it on your wrist. So if you needed to turn the Insta 360 on or off, or switch modes between video and photo, you can do all that from your wrist. Anyway, so that's what you get inside of the package here. Also, they include, and it looks like it's only a micro USB to regular USB for charging the remote. Okay, now to connect this to your Insta 360, this is how you're going to do it. So we're going to turn that on. Now we've already connected it. So as soon as we turn this on, it will turn on the Insta 360. But what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect that. And to disconnect it, you would just press these two buttons, which we've already done, at the same time. Okay, so now we're going to turn this off. Okay, now we're going to turn this on. Okay, and we're now going to turn on the Insta 360. And to pair these up, you're going to swipe down, and then you're going to swipe to the left, and you're going to go to settings. And in settings, you're going to see the second one down says the Bluetooth remote. You're going to tap on the Bluetooth remote, and now it's searching for the remote, and it found the remote. You're going to tap on that, and you're going to see it's going to connect. Okay, it's now connected to the remote. Then we're going to go back. Okay, we're going to go into general settings. And under general settings, we're going to have at the bottom here, you see Bluetooth wake up. We're going to click on that, and we're going to make sure Bluetooth wake up is on. Okay, we're going to exit out of there. We're going to turn off the Insta 360. Okay. And as you've seen, the remote went off too, because these are now paired together. So if you're out and about, you just press and hold for 3 seconds, and you should see the Insta360 come on. Okay, right now it's in video mode when it came on. If I wanted to change that to photo mode, and it's connected, I just press this button once. Okay, so it's going to change the different modes. So press it. Okay, that's in photo mode now. Press it. Press it again. Okay. So that's in video mode. Yeah, the screen shut off there. Okay, press it once. There's time lapse. There's photo. There's video. Time lapse. Photo. Okay, now it's in photo mode. If I wanted to take a photo, I can just press the top button here once, and it snapped a photo. Hit it again, it snapped another photo. Switch it back to video. It's on video. Press once, and it's now recording the video. Anyways, I'm looking forward to using this. I'm hoping that when I turn this on, that on my footage, I'm going to have all the telemetry on there, which I think is going to be cool in some scenarios. And like I said, if you're riding a motorcycle, you're cycling, you're hiking, you're doing anything like that, this is probably going to be an accessory that you definitely want to have for your Insta360. Anyways, I hope this was informative, and I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.